it's Pablo Productions here, and today I am doing another fidget spinner video. I'm going to be talking about it. So, yeah. I'm going to be talking about what I like. Why did I say another fidget spinner video? This is going to be my... Oh, crap. This is going to be my first fidget spinner video. So, yeah. My second one will be out soon. So yeah, let's turn it around.
I'm gonna need you. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to when you edit your video, I'm gonna have to send you the one clip.
What clip? No, it's fine.
I can't add it because I don't literally own the app yet, so I can't download it all. So.
Well, then send me the clip. Okay, by the way, guys, we're doing some phase rock montage music. This one's 1 hour. Okay, so, yeah, we're going to be talking about it. Most of all, here, I'll set up the camera first.
Set it up as 2 videos.
Okay. How am I gonna hold this? Colin, can you hold my camera? I need 2 hands. I can't hold this. Can you hold it for me?
Hold on, let me just put something down.
There we go. Xbox controller. Okay, guys, so, it spins for, what the crap is that? It spins for, we found out pretty much like 1 minute and 30 seconds, and we'll show that clip right now. Stop it. And also, I like how you can do it one-handed, because I'm, I'm recording, so I can't really do two-handed. Yeah, there's one-handed, and I really like how, strong they are, how much they can take. I don't like how the black pieces are, so easy to fall, how they fall out so easily. And, yeah, pretty much, I would say this is a pretty good fidget spinner. So, yeah, this was just... So yeah, this was just gonna be a playthrough on the fidget spinner that I'm gonna be using next video, guys. So yeah, why did I say so yeah again? I said it again.
So yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the video on Pablo Productions. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And Pablo Productions is out. Peace out, guys.
Get low when the whistle go.